Hey, man. Working. Yeah. Yeah. That bitch sound good.
Yeah.
And then now it's the scenes what from over the shoulder?
Yeah, it could be it's gonna be over the shoulder. So I'll show you how to do it.
Bro, so we outside working, man. We getting this content in. Got my nigga Aaron out. You know, getting in. YouTube, y'all know what's going on, man. So we outside. This rap. I don't know what's going on with my paint and shit, bro, but every time I look at my paint, I'm just not fucking with it. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get this car wrapped. Look, I got all these damn dings and shit. I don't know where none of this shit came from, bro. I bought this bitch without that shit, so get y'all a little, you know, we finna go ahead and get some content, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Big HELLCAT, not the close. Yeah. Like I said, man, like, comment, sub, man. Y'all know what's going on. Pick y'all back up when I go my nigga Internet Aaron, man. Today we linking up to get some reels in. Some reels, we gonna get some real nice reels in. I got a banger for y'all, so lock in, man. Stay tuned. Like, comment, sub. Like I said, on the road to 5K, man. We at 3,500 right now. We jumping crazy. I appreciate all the support, man. All the views. All the people that been tapping in, subscribing, following the Instagram, all that shit. At SRT Noski on all platforms. If you don't find it, you ain't typing it in right. But I'm gonna pick y'all back up when we get busy, man. Look at that gas. For all you out of towners who paying fucking $4-5 for gas, man, come to Texas. Look at my look, man. Look.
I finally like my brother.
Look.
Big
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? But look, I ain't gonna lie, this bitch, y'all, I don't know if y'all seen this bitch on my channel since he got this whole rap. This bitch is fucking crazy. This hoe is crazy. And then it's on 4Gs. Like, you can't go wrong with the 4Gs, man. I ain't gonna lie, I wanna slap some 4Gs on my shit. Bro. I ain't gonna lie, I seen a Charger, a white one with some gold. Oh, it was white and gold, bro. Oh my God, yeah. Who did that for you?
man.
Do that shit. I'm like, damn, I might do my own shit. I ain't gonna lie. How much you charge? Oh, you did it free. I'm like, oh, yeah, that's okay.
Finally.
That bitch cold. Hey, in the end, y'all know what's going on, man. Shout out to B Woody though. They sponsor my YouTube now.
Yeah?
B Woody sponsor YouTube. Let's go.
Quick.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, that green crazy, bro.
I appreciate it, bro.
That green crazy.
We about to change all the cars.
Yeah.
This, the 300, and the Durango, all anime rap.
What if? Oh yeah, you gonna snap? That's
all
it.
anime
That's
rap.
it. You won.
So I was like, I gotta find a way to be different, bro.
When can we see the 300?
300 will probably be done 2 months.
All right, but yeah, I need, fuck everybody else.
Yeah.
I need first dibs on that bitch. Fuck everybody else, you know. Fuck these other niggas that be trying to, you know, they trying to pull up and, nah, fuck that shit. Look at the body kit though. Look at this shit, nigga. What? And so for y'all that don't know, who car this used to be?
This used to be Lynn from Turkey Leg Hut and Corey SSG.
Come on, man. Stop playing. Look at that. All right, well, shit.
Another cat on the road.
Look. Ooh.
Another cat on the road.
Ooh, and that orange. What's that? That mango?
See me, they mad. Bitch, see me, they pass out, me fall. Now I'm talking, cause I'm
love.
Follow. I know I've been getting a lot of followers off my YouTube, but, you know, go to my Instagram, follow. We need to get this back up because I was at 3 million. We need to get that back up, but for sure. Y'all go follow me on now. TikTok, the same thing. And shit, for the most part, I try to drop consecutive content. I ain't been dropping every day, videos that y'all need to go watch. When y'all get a chance, man, y'all go back to some of these older videos. I got shit with Soulja Boy, Internet City, Mr. Goddamnit, Corey SSG, Certified
SRT
Trapper,
Lynn.
SRT Lynn. I got shit with Raw. I got shit with a lot of Knockout 360. It's a lot of people. So y'all make sure y'all go check out the videos, man. They might be titled something, but
you never know
who in it. Then we got Zilla Fatu on the channel. He just won the belt for wrestling and shit, GCW. So he's a champion right now. You know what I'm saying? Been all over iHeartRadio, 97.9 The Beat. They've been interviewing him and shit now. So that's gonna, bro. I'm telling y'all right now, that Zilla Fatu video, if y'all sleeping on that, that's gonna blow up. I'm telling you. It's only a matter of time, bro. Finna go to WWE.
Zilla next up.
It's time, yeah, it is.
Zilla next up,
It's
bro.
definitely time.
Guarantee next up.
It's time. It's time. But man, look, I got a couple videos coming. We did Cars and Kicks with Ish Wainwright. We got is a former Phoenix Suns player. We got a lot more Phoenix content coming. We got some shows coming up. I'm gonna start posting my flyers on the YouTube as well, so y'all can start seeing what you know, cause I got people from all over different states, and I love that y'all fuck with me. But I need y'all to start, you know, popping out, leaving some comments, leaving some likes, man. My last video did really good, so I want to keep this momentum, and I want to kind of build on that. You know what I'm saying? So I'm dropping nothing but bangers. I'm trying to find this editor. I found the editor. He edited one video and then he just disappeared. So I'm in the midst of trying to get that right now, where it's in my budget. You know, we still got lives outside of content. You know what I'm saying? Cars. So I find me an editor that's in my budget, then I'll be giving y'all that. But I know a lot of y'all, when y'all DM me, y'all say y'all like the raw vlogs, y'all like the raw content, y'all don't want to see too much animation. So I just feel like we could use a little bit though. You know what I'm saying? Just a little bit to keep y'all attention. That's it. But like I said, like, comment, sub, man. I'm gonna drop this with some other clips. I don't know what else I got. I know I got my game room vlog. I got the process of that, so I might just go ahead and throw these two together, since this was just like I'm out with my boy, and you know what I'm saying?
Good work, man.
We gotta get some content in. I ain't gonna lie, I would not be right if I popped out with a content creator and I ain't pop out on some vlog and shit. He came to do the real, you know what I'm saying? So I just wanna give me some more content, you know what I'm saying? Facts. But like I said, like, comment, sub, man, and pick y'all back up sometime within this week, whenever this drops, because I got like 6 videos before this. So when y'all see this video, it's probably gonna be like November, September or some shit. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like the street, record yourself, all that. Hey man, text to me. Hey man, so I'm taking my son for his first ride in the HELLCAT. Ooh, what you think about that?
Man, it's fire.
Oh my god.
I already know.
Man, let's see. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, nigga. We outside, so this is the first POV I got when somebody could record me, put it on, make sure it's facing me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Give me one of these.
Yes, sir. Got him outside. What you think?
It's fire.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's fun to you? Oh my goodness, y'all hear that whine? Do y'all hear that whine? Do y'all hear the whine though? Let's see what we got. Oh my gosh. Good POV. Good POV to end the video. Good POV. Yeah. He like that. He said, whoa. You got, huh?
Nah, the drift.
Yes, sir. Y'all know what time it is, man.